All right, with this video, I want to explain why you should join now and a couple things you should do if you join. Okay, don't wait, don't screw around, don't take days and days to kind of watch setup videos or maybe search around for ideas, because you get addicted to learning and watching short little videos, right? But with this business, the website's already built. The capture page where people are going to put your information or people's information in. They're going to lock in and either get more information via Save Club. Thank you. All right. They'll get 30 nice emails, one a day for 30 days. Built in. Website is already built. Okay. But there's certain things that I do to kind of help people click something to watch something. Okay. With Save Club, obviously, just the membership alone is going to save you, in my opinion, probably 20 to 50 to $100 a month. And that's awesome. But I'm an affiliate dude. That's where the biggest moolah is when it comes to Save Club. And that's what I want to do. And I hope you too, because it's affordable. Now, to be an affiliate is just three $20 bills. $60, one and done. Okay? You can sign up by the month. According to your budget, it's up to you. $19.97 or a couple $100 if you want to do 12 times, blank, blank. You guys will figure it out. But anyway, what I'm looking for is this right here. ilovesaveclub.com. I want you to go ahead and click that link or just put it in your cell phone or your browser. I use Google Chrome. It's my favorite. You can use a laptop or a home computer. A home computer is my favorite too, although I'm on a cell phone all day. It's nice when I have my webcam set up. I got a little light my face up. I've got a desk. I got a pen and paper. It's so much easier for me to navigate, okay? So anyway, ilovesaveclub.com. I want you to go there, and if you sign up in my group, please get some business cards, either at Vistaprint or your local printer. Okay, get yourself a custom domain name. I got ilovesaveclub.com. Go to GoDaddy. I think they're the best. And then Cory at corydraper.com. I don't mind you guys emailing me. It means you're interested. Okay? So, how do I promote this opportunity the first day? You just saw what I did. I got a business card. I got me a domain name. And like I said, when you join, it's going to be $60 plus $19.97, or if you want to join for the year, it's up to you. You're going to get this website right here. And let's navigate it real quick, okay? This is the home page. And when you get people signed up underneath you, you can figure out your genealogy, your team, all that stuff. Let's worry about that later, because I'm assuming if you are watching this video, you just joined or you haven't even joined yet, okay? So this is the home page. Just look at it, go through it, all right? You have people that are interested in joining or haven't joined yet. That's what the statistics page. It's fun for me because I'm on 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm on my 5th day, and I've signed up about 20 some odd people. It looks like every day I get 17, 16. Yesterday on Sunday, it was awesome. I already got 9 signed up. And usually people will write me and say, hey, I'm going to join later tonight when I get off work. So I'm pretty sure this number here, people that are going to upgrade, where they do become an affiliate, this number might even be higher, where I'll get 30, 40, 50 people, 60. My goal is to sign up as many people as possible, because I want you to save money each month just by being a member of Save Club. But let's look into the affiliate side, because guys, it can really, really add up. If you just, and I like to equate it as just a cheerleader, someone that goes, man, I love this company. Check out this link. Guys, do you want to save money? Check out this link. Watch this short video. All right. I feel like I'm at a pep rally, and I want you guys to click that link and check it out. And if you like what you see, then let's get you aboard. Okay. So anyway, I'm having good results. I'm pretty happy. My websites. You're going to have your own website or websites. It's up to you on what you want to promote. I hope if you want to be an affiliate and earn even more money than just savings each month, go to this one right here, the Power Landing. I guess it's the Powerline landing page. Most people, once you get comfy doing this business, it's like a capture page. Okay? When you go to ilovesaveclub.com, it goes to this page right here. Do you notice saveclubtour.com/Cory Draper? Well, if you look, okay, let me get myself out of the way. You can see that's the link. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just simply invite people to this link. But what I like to do, boom, I want you to come to this page, but I also like to use this. It makes it simpler. Because if I say go to saveclubtour.com/Cory Draper, okay, it doesn't sound as sexy as if I just say go to ilovesaveclub.com. I can put the link also on a card, business card, but it's just super long and crazy. So I've always liked to keep things simple. ilovesaveclub.com. I thought it was kind of cool. I also own a whole bunch of other ones related to Save Club, and I mix it up. But right now I just picked one, and I love Save Club. It looks like I'm on my way to 25 to 30 people my first 4 or 5 days, so I'm happy with that, okay? So let's get back to the website. This is after you log in and you're signed in, and you just have multiple websites down the road that they're going to add. But right now, just focus on this one, because not only will you find members that just want to join, but they'll probably upgrade for $60 to be an affiliate too, and that's what I hope you do. Okay, when you go into My Earnings, and since this company's brand new, there's really no earnings yet. I'm on my first couple days, okay? But every week, they're going to start paying, and that's going to be exciting. And this is what you got to do, guys. You got to select your payment option. A lot of people, when they join, they don't think of going to My Earnings and going into View Rank and Credit Wallet and all that stuff yet. They're kind of confused, like, okay, well, how do I set up GoDaddy? Maybe get a domain to forward, and how do I market? Okay, what I like to do is make a little tutorial about when you first join. Don't worry about marketing yet. Okay, go to the home page. Make sure your membership is either 1 month or a year. Now, when I click my membership, okay, I chose to be a member for 12 months. And that's because I can make extra money being a VIP. Okay, so when you join for the year, all right, it's nice. Not only do I have to worry about paying another year, but I do make more money with my downline when people like yourself sign up. Okay, and we can go over the pay plan later. My deals, this is what you click when you want to look at the millions of deals all over the world. Okay, and that's a whole other video, guys. Just click My Deals, and it's so fun just to go through, I don't know, let's say even 1,000, and just see if you can save some money, okay? But like I said, I'm focusing on being an affiliate, and that's what I want you to do. There's a larger chunk of cash, moolah, if you want to be an affiliate, okay? And I think it's easy and fun. My team, that's just nothing more than all the people that have signed up in your group. My referrals, those are the people that have either pre-enrolled or have actually joined, okay, as a member and an affiliate. Okay, my enroller, that's who I signed up underneath. Okay, the leaderboard's always fun. You can kind of check and see who's doing really well. Oh, I can't see where I'm at. Let's see, I'm number 19, I guess. Pretty cool, right? I have no doubt that I'm going to be probably near the top in just a little bit, because I'm just barely ramping up, and I'm having a good time so far. But I like being on the leaderboard. It just makes me feel good, okay? Now, what else is here? Okay, the websites I showed you, My Earnings. Contact, if you have any information to give the company, or vice versa. You have questions, or there's a problem with, let's say, your cryptocurrency, if you want to pay that way, or debit or credit card, contact us. Support@saveclub.com. Don't get a hold of me. I don't own the company. Okay? But if you have some questions, not about marketing and, gee, how can I make money and stuff like that, guys, it's already here on the website with short videos, or just reading on the web page, okay? But if you do have some technical issues, or a credit card mess up, or something like that, then go ahead and support@saveclub.com. And you can see right there it says contact. Now, this is where you can log out. I'm not going to log out, obviously. I want to show you some things here. I like this. This is a live counter of how many people are just signing up every 24 hours. You can see right now 1523. Well, look at this. In 1 minute, Dave signed up. After Dave, look, 2 seconds later, James. Look, Julie signed up about 5 seconds later. Almost 1 second later, Maurice. And then Heather, Amanda. Look, all over the world. Okay, this is a worldwide business. 24 hours a day. I had a young lady get a hold of me today from Canada. She's like, can I do this in Canada? And I'm like, you sure you can. Okay, this is important. Go to the pay plan link, because for me to try to explain the pay plan, it takes too long and it's boring. Take your time and just go to the pay plan link, either at the bottom of your webpage or the bottom of your cell phone. Okay? And just scroll. You're not going to probably understand everything. There are 5 ways to get paid, and you can just see 5 ways. 1, generational coded fast start commissions. This sounds just so complicated, okay? But in a nutshell, if you guys sign up for $60 plus $19.97, just read right here. Okay? Just read what it says. Take your time. And remember, the company automatically takes care of your pay. So when you start getting some money, you can sit down and go, okay, I signed up these many, and these many. And how much of this do I make? Okay? But just relax. Just relax. You'll figure this out. And I have no doubt the company will come up with a really nice pay plan produced video on YouTube. And it'll probably be at the bottom of this webpage. Okay? But there's 5 ways to get paid. Just take your time and just read, because some people are going to sign up for $19.97 plus 60. Some people will sign up for the whole year, like myself. Okay? And you make commissions. Example 2, Matrix 2. All this 2.50, 2.50, this is so confusing. Please don't trip yourself up on this. But just know you get some nice extra moolah, but don't focus on it. Just recruit. Tell people about the opportunity. And you, or in my case, other people as well, can make up their mind just by watching short videos. Do they want to just be a member and save money? Maybe 20, 50, 100, 200 bucks a month? Or do you want to make way more than that? Okay? But just relax. This is the comp plan, the pay plan, the affiliate pay plan, whatever you want to call it. Okay? But I think it's worth your while. You're going to like it. So right there, you see the little link. There you go. Okay? I'm not going to sit and explain this, because you're going to think you're going to have to on a video or an email or on social media posts. Okay? I think you agree with me. Cory, how do I find out about the pay plan? Tell me where to go watch or read something. There it is, guys. Boom. Pay plan right there. Okay? And I promise you, once there's some really good, concise, maybe 5 to 6 minute videos that go ahead and explain this, that's even easier, you can bet your buns I'm going to go ahead and post those links all over the place, because I can't stand trying to figure out the pay plan. But it's awesome. It is worth your while. So please just go to the pay plan and just read, but take your time. All right? Don't get frustrated if you don't understand everything, okay? So this is the back office, after you join. And if you just get real good at inviting people to click a link to watch a video, you're going to be okay. You don't have to have a bunch of experience and have this guru image, okay? Some of my most successful people in my other online businesses are brand new, and they don't have old habits from the 70s, 80s, 90s, 10 or 20 years ago. Right now, it's about fast pace. People like to look at their screen, click, watch a video. If they don't like what they see, they get rid of it and go do other stuff. If they like an email, great, they'll save it. If they want to go ahead and get more information about this opportunity, then no doubt people will. And right now, I've got hundreds of people already checking this link out. I love saveclub.com. Okay? I appreciate your time, guys. You'll get this, but you need to join now. We have a 30, maybe 45-day window where some of the most explosive and biggest groups of chunks of cash and signups, they're going to happen now. Guys, we're barely like 10 days in. That's it. Barely over a week since this debuted. This is the pre-launch. Right now, ready, set, go, June 1st. We got about a month. Okay, and we're going to have millions of businesses worldwide saving people money. People are going to come just to join as a member and be happy with that. But if you're a maniac like me in blue, the maniac in blue, you're going to want to be an affiliate. And guys, it's only $60 anyway. Just pay it. Just pay it. It's a one-time fee. Let's earn you a lot more money than just what you're saving. Okay? All right, guys, thanks for the last 14 minutes. You go to my YouTube channel, subscribe. Cory at CoryDraper.com. Email me anytime, guys. Or find me on Facebook. Inbox me. I'm not shy. If I can help you, definitely will. But you got to help yourself. I love SaveClub.com. And that is it. Boom. Ronnie James Dio, rock and roll. Or how about peace and love? All right? That's what it's all about at the end of the day. Okay, guys. Thank you. This is a short video for me. Only 14 minutes and 25 seconds. Okay. We'll see you next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.